Hi everyone, Captain Mark Reviews. I got a new product for you. It's the GN or GAN Fast Charger. It's 100 watts, model number CD226, and it's by Ugreen. Very powerful charger. It's 4-port USB charging station. You're going to love this. Great price and extremely good quality. So let's check it out. I really like the sleek design on this. This is a high output charger which has 4 ports on that. You can put away those old bricks. With Ugreen, the USB-C charger provides enormous 100 watts of charging power, which is enough to charge 2 USB-C laptops or 2 smartphones at the same time. That is incredible. Now, you can pick up this Ugreen 100 watt fast charger on Amazon for $67.99, and I'll leave that quick link down below for easy access. Yeah, this is a great little charger. You're going to love purchasing this and using it. It's nice and small too, compact, small enough you can put it in your pocket or in your bag and take it anywhere you want to go. The 4-port USB charging station comes with 3 USB-C ports and a standard USB-A port. When you connect 4 devices, power will be distributed efficiently between both ports to ensure optimum charging current. So I'm going to explain to you with the chart here how each one of the ports, when you combine them with different devices, what is the wattage on each one? So, for the first example, if you plug one device into the first port, you're going to have 100 watts max power coming from this. And if you plug it into the second port with a single device, you're going to get the same, 100 watts maximum out of it. And if you plug a single device into the third port, you're going to have 22.5 watts max. And last but not least, if you plug it into the USB-A fourth port, you're going to have 22.5 watts maximum. And you can see here, follow along on the chart, if you use 2 devices and you plug them into different ports, you get different watts. Again, if you use 3 devices, you plug them in different ports, you'll get a combination of different watts. So very efficient. I really like this chart. Pretty much shows you everything you need to know when you place in devices in your charger, what your actual maximum wattage will be. With the Ugreen USB-C charging station, it has wide compatibility, provides fast charging to virtually all USB-A and USB-C phones, tablets, laptops, and more, including the 16-inch and 13-inch MacBook Pros, the MacBook Air 2020, and the 13-inch Dell XPS. I'd like to give you an idea what the size of the power brick is, and from length and width, it's 2.75 by 2.75. That's 2 3/4 by 2 3/4, and for thickness or depth, it's 1.25 or by 1 inch and 1/4. Okay, some of you folks still might want to see an open boxing on this, so we'll go through this real quick, and you can see this is the package comes with. It highlights some of the features on there. The first feature is the 4-port charging. The 4-in-1 charger is the 100 watts USB charging station. Charges 4 devices simultaneously with high speed. Next feature we see is the Smart Protection. This Smart Protection provides over voltage protection, over current protection, short circuit protection, and overheat protection. A lot of nice features there in this charger. With their nice foldable plug design, the charger offers greater portability and simpler storage for you to carry in your backpack or bag anywhere on the go. And with its wide compatibility, the Ugreen USB charging system provides fast charging virtually for all USB-A and USB-C phones, tablet, laptops, and more. All right, well, let's open up the box, see what's inside. You have your user manual. It's pretty complete. Tells you what the power ratings are for each one of the ports in it. The brick is very ergonomic, heavy duty quality. It's got a real nice finish to the side of it. On the front and back, you can see that it's got this nice decorative colored gloss covering on it. Very heavy duty. You could drop this thing and it wouldn't even break. Get a little weight on this, not too bad, but you got to remember it's got 4 ports in this, and it is heavy-duty construction, so it's 8.2 ounces. for the weight on this USB-C charging station. All right, and now we're going to do a little testing here. I want to hook up several devices to the charger and see how it holds up on the voltage-wise. First on the right, I have my iPad Pro 13-inch. In the center, you can see I have my MacBook Pro 13-inch. And the top left corner, I have my iPhone Pro Max 11. And the bottom left corner, you can see the charger there. And at the bottom, you can see I have a meter. This is an inline meter. It's the USB reader. It'll give me the volts and amps, and there I can calculate what the actual wattage being used on each one of the devices. But I'm going to stick it on the laptop, and I just want to see if the volts and amps drops or how it adjusts for other devices being added to the charger. So this will be a nice hands-on review for this. All right, let's begin. So I have the USB-C cord plugged in the laptop and into the meter. And now I'm going to plug the meter into the top USB-C port. And it will tell us the voltage here real quick. There you go. It's 20 volts, and the amperage is starting to go up as the laptop is demanding more amps to charge it. Okay, it's climbing. The amps is going up. It's almost at 1.9. It looks like it's going to stick around 1.83, 1.85. All right, now we're going to add the iPad Pro 13-inch to the charger, and we're going to hook the cord up at the bottom of the iPad, and then we're going to connect it to the charger on the second port. All right, and now you can see in here that it connected and starting to charge my tablet. Verify it up at the top right of the tablet. It is charging. Now, if you look down at the meter, you can see the screen went blank because now it's compensating for the added device to it, and it'll turn on, and the amps will go back up on the laptop again. Okay, and now I'm going to add the third device to the charger, which is my iPhone Pro Max 11, and I'm plugging it into the bottom. Now I'm going to be plugging this into the third port on the charger, and we're going to see what happens again to the meter as you keep an eye on. There, you got verification that the phone now is charging. As we look down, you can see the meter went blank again. It's compensating for the third device on it. And here you go. It turned on, and now you can see the voltage is 20 volts charging into my laptop, and the amps are going up again nicely. All the other devices are charging great. There goes the amps. Look at that. That is awesome. All three devices are charging. Amperage is going up. This is an excellent charger. All right, so that's my review for the GAN Fast Charger 100 Watt by Eugene. All in all, this is a great product at a good price, and it's very powerful. And construction-wise, quality built. You can't go wrong purchasing this charger.